prohibitive cost. Then nobody used to talk about it. Around again 2014, we thought innovative ways. How to reduce the cost, go for scale. Then we have gone in a big way, solar, wind, all these things. Around 2018, I announced unit cost will come down around 1 rupee 50 paisa to 2 rupees. Today, around 2 rupees, 2 rupees 30 paisa, 40 paisa, it has come. One story I will tell you. When telecom revolution, at that time I was responsible, I gave Vajpayee ji to go for deregulation of telecommunication sector in India. Then he agreed, he has deregulated, transformed the sector. At that time, ordinary phone, 20,000 rupees, luxurious. Then I met Dhirubhai Ambani. I met him, I told him, technology is fast changing. As on today, news channels are coming. It will go to satellite. From there it is coming. Voice is coming through BSNL lines. Data is coming differently. Tomorrow, convergence is coming. All voice, video, or text, everything will come automatically. Bandwidth, if you seek fiber, originally we used to use copper. People used to cut it and melt it and sell. That is more profitable. Now fiber has come. Because of fiber, there is no need to have any raw material. Only we have to ignite little power. Then he started this industry. Then he announced at that time $5 billion. From 20,000 to 2,000 rupees it has come. Drastic reduction in prices because of scaling and technology and manufacturing. That is how green hydrogen is a necessity. There is no other way. But how to reduce cost, how to create ecosystem, it is our duty for innovators to innovate. As you rightly mentioned, there is a consistent growth in petrochemical, either utilization and downstream industries. It is a continuously growing. India also is growing very fast. If you see as on today, fifth largest economy,